Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll solve maximize dot product. Let's go to problem statement. Given two arrows a and b of positive integers of size n and m, where n greater than equals to m, the task is to maximize the dot product by inserting zeros in the second array. But you cannot disturb the order of elements. Okay, and dot product of array a and b size n is, you can see through this pattern. You can solve. Okay, so let's understand through example. In example 1, you can see first array size is 5a and second array b is which size is 3, and in output it will show 107. How? So go to our dashboard. Let's assume our first array a which size is suppose 3, and the elements is randomly 2, 3, 4, and second array b which size is suppose 1, and the elements suppose 5. What we need to do then? We need to perform putting 0. Okay, so we can put 0, 0, 5 in second array. Okay, second array. So then we need to multiply with first array elements and second array elements, updated second array elements. So we need to 2 into 0 plus first array element 2 into 0, then second element of first array 3, then second element of array b 0 into 0, then third element of first array 4, and second element of third element of array b plus third element of array a 4 into third element of second array 5. Okay, in output then finally it will show 2 into 0 0, 3 into 0 0, and 4 into 5 means 20, and finally it will show in output 20. Okay, so let's go to code. Let's try to solve this code. First we need int, variable int, integer type dp m plus 1 and another first array plus 1. And then we need to declare another variable meme set dp 0 and size, no size of dp, and convert, and create for loop for int I equals to 1, I greater than equals to first second array, then and sorry I plus plus, and then another for nested for loop for int j equals to I, j greater than equals to n, j plus plus, condition dp I j equals to max dp I minus 1, j minus 1 plus a j minus 1 into b y minus 1, dp I j minus 1, then return dp second variable and first array and second array. Now compile. Yeah, you can see now you submit it.